guys, this is Sandy123 and welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe and comment and keep supporting my channel. It helps me a lot. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS doing everything in dramatic part 2 by Teza. Yeah, the link is in the description. You should go check this out. This is by Teza. So I'm going to react to another crack of this is a dramatic moment compilation of BTS. They are drama, they are equal to chaos. So let's see this. Okay, this is going to be fun. And I love the intro also, so I'm going to laugh at that also maybe. Okay. Start. हो गया. Okay. BTS. He just pushes like Taylor. Okay. BTS doing everything in dramatic. Background music.
태영아.
Oh, they started. I know
어디야?
JK comes in this. My God, his
여기가
expression.
말로만 듣던 환상의 나라.
Fantasy world. Okay.
우리 함께 이 세상을
My
제패해보자.
God, they're playing what? They're just having so much fun. And then JK came just as a sign. Look at his
그거
expression.
나중에 우리 팔아서 부자가 되는 거야.
I'll become rich.
태영아.
God. Yay! This is so cute, man. Oh, Sugar gonna lose in that one. Oh God, I think it was about Bapse. Yeah, I know this one. Oh God. Run. Oh, automatic version. Okay. But tears is like okay. Okay. Again, okay. This is hilarious, man. What the? Okay, it was not over. Okay. You can say. Okay. He wasted. Again, back to his cuteness. Okay. Again, okay.
사실 제가 이런 말씀 안 드리려고 했는데 저의 애인을 소개시켜드릴게요.
Okay.
여기는 바로
I like, you know, I knew that. I knew that. This one.
인천공항에서 살
Oh God.
5만원짜리 이거 없으면
Okay. Alright. Man, this is hilarious. I love this. Them walking like that. I knew this was gonna happen. Oh God, the voices they added. Okay. Again with the okay duality.
Apple.
9 apple is poison apple, yeah. Okay, I know this one. Okay, this is okay. I'm such an army. Okay. Read the comment and then it's like, oh. Look at the close up, like okay. Okay.
Night apple is poison.
Eats it anyway, right?
But I'm okay
Because he's JK.
because
Yeah. He's JK.
I'm
I
joking.
knew that. Oh God.
태영아,
Okay, they're still dramatizing it. Okay, this,
이제 오이를 썰게 될 것이다.
they're taking good comment.
오이를 어떻게 썰?
Again to the warrior scene. Okay, now. He was trying to behave like a king. And then he did that take. And then Jimin added this. Okay. This is hilarious, man. These guys are such entertainers, man. Hosing is so
한번 멋있게 돌아오세요. 오케이. 잘 준비됐어?
secret mission. Where is my gun? Okay, this is so fun.
하늘빨이 났어. 뭐 하는 거야? 오야야야야.
What are you doing, man?
어제 수능 보셨어요? 29살이
Be 19, not 29. Oh. Okay, this is so cute. Wait a second. Okay. I'm gonna. Yeah, this happened to me before. But he's done. It's so calming at first, and now Headphone warning. Thank you for giving that before. I didn't get it in the before video. I have volumed this down. Thank you for saying that. Genchana. He's so into that song, but oh man. Thank God the voice was down. He's still feeling it. Are emotional. Okay. Oh, his favorite food. Tastes like, oh, I'm getting a heart attack. Give me one of that. Now I'm okay. It's like, okay, this is so cute, man. He is such a cutie, seriously. Okay. Jin, the drama. Okay. The way he's doing this, okay. God. Where is. Okay, he's in Japan. Okay. Alright then. Alright. Ta-da! Oh, he has done it many times. Okay, got it. Really? He just goes back like, okay. Okay, Tejan.
1,
One.
2.
Oh, I put one of this in my cracks, BTS crack.
네, 김치가 참 맛있지.
Oh God.
맛있어요. 우리
Okay
작은
then. The crying. He's just acting though. He laughs later on. You won't understand my pain. Oh my God, he'll get chilly in his eyes. The end. Again? Okay, that was abrupt. Bad boy voice. Okay. Danger. What the hell? Bad boy superhero? Okay, I'm done here. Really? The best thing he has ever eaten. Like, this guy is such a good actor. He's just like, overacting now.
넌 나.
Oh, poor JK. Come here, come here. Okay, he's doing it again. How many times have we done it? Man, they came prepared. Okay, ready? Fukuoka? What? What is this? Man, this is hilarious. God. Oh, I've used this one also. Okay. The overdramatic reaction of Sugar in this, like, where what you see in Indian serials. Thunder comes and it's like, old serials. So yeah, obviously it's not happening here now. That much. No way, no way. It's like, 21. 289 times. I was able to guess it was Jin at that time. Okay. Oh my God, this is the most hilarious scene. Okay. Okay, J-Hope. It's like,
꽃을 위한 서시 김춘수
Yoongi has such
나는
attitude.
시방 위험한
Dangerous
짐승이야.
animal? I would have said the same thing.
짐승이야.
Okay. Okay, he didn't have the. Okay, then. He used glycerin. Okay. But I don't think it's still enough. You'll know later on.
존재에 흔들리는
The branch shakes with existence.
너는 이름도 없이
Oh God.
다친다.
Wow. Stop crying, you. Obviously, he's doing it. So look at Namjoon at the back, man. He's doing it on for effect. They're making it exaggeratingly laugh.
막 생각나는 시간이
Continue reading, okay. Waterfall is not. Stop. Oh my God. Yugi is such a savage. I just love him. Look at Tay in the back. He's so into that poem. Oh my God, he's joking, obviously.
나의 친구야.
Wow, the after effect. My hairstyle. Okay, and though I'm late, thank you. Okay, this is so hilarious, man. This compilation of this dramaticness. I've done it before also, the reaction for dramatic one. And okay, this was really funny, man. Okay. Alright. If you like my reaction to this, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, you can put it on the comment section.
With